So let's see what a typical problem looks like in this textbook. It says the purchase of a home is $392,000. A down payment of 20% is made. The bank charges $450 in fees and 2.5 points. Find the total of the down payment and the closing costs. In other words, they want to know how much money does this person need to come to the table with in order to buy this $392,000 home. So what should we do? Well, the first thing you always want to do is calculate the down payment. To calculate the down payment, you're always going to do the percent times the sale price. In this case, the percent is 20%, so that's 0.2 as a decimal, or 0.20 as a decimal. The sale price of the home was $392,000. Go ahead and do this on your calculator, and let's see what you get as the down payment. I'm getting a total down payment of $78,400. So that's one of the expenses that I have to come to the table with is the down payment. Now that we know the down payment, we can calculate the mortgage amount. To calculate the mortgage amount, again, you're going to do the sell price minus the down payment. So in this case, the sale price for the home was $392,000. The down payment was $78,400. That means my mortgage amount, use your calculator, I'm getting $313,600. That's my mortgage amount, so that's how much I need to borrow. Now that I know how much I need to borrow, I can think about my fees. It seems to me like I have a fee of $450 and no other fees other than points, which is the last thing I'm going to calculate, is how much the points is. Here it says we have to pay 2.5 points, so to determine points, how much you have to pay for points, you're going to do the number as a percentage, so 2.5 points is 2.5%, which is 0.025 written as a decimal, times the mortgage amount, A, which is $313,600. It's very, very important here. When you do the points, it is the percent times A, not the sale price of the home. So how much am I paying in points? Go ahead and do it in your calculator. I'm getting $7,840 in points. Okay, so let's think about what we need here. If a person were to buy this house, what would they need to come to the table with? Well, they'd have to come with the down payment, which was $78,400. They'd have to pay the fee, which was $450, and they'd have to pay the points, which was $7,840. So the next step that I'm going to do is get that total. And to get that total, I'm going to add those numbers together. Please do so now on your calculator. I'm getting a total of $86,690. So that's how much money this person would need to come to the table with to buy the house. Again, there would be additional fees on top of this in the real world, but that's all this question asks for. Let's go ahead and try a similar example. It says the purchase price of a home is $410,000. A down payment of 25% is made. The bank charges $375 in fees plus 1.75 points. Find the total of the down payment and the closing costs. So again, the first thing I need to do is calculate that down payment. To calculate that down payment, I always do the price, which was $410,000, times the percent, which was 25% as a decimal is 0.25. That's giving me a total down payment of, I'm getting $102,500. $102,500 is the down payment of this home. Now that I know the down payment, I can calculate the mortgage amount. So the mortgage amount, again, to find the mortgage amount, which is going to be our loan amount, A in the formula, we always do the sell price, which was $410,000, minus the down payment, which was $102,500, which gives us the mortgage amount of $307,500. Okay, now that we know the mortgage amount, I can look at any fees. Reading the problem, it says we have a fee of $375. Then I want to consider the points. For the points, again, you do it as a percentage times the loan amount. So to find my points here, I'm going to do the percentage, which was 1.75%, which is 0.0175 as a decimal, times the mortgage amount, which was $307,500. So let's see what we're getting on points here. I'm getting $5,381.25. Okay, so what does this person need to come to the table with? They have to pay the down payment, they have to pay any fees, and they have to pay any points. So let's add those three together now and see what we get. After adding the three numbers together, I'm getting a total of $108,256.25. $108,256.25.